Good morning, everyone. Let's start our Geography Chapter 8. Geography Chapter 8, Human Environment, Interaction, the Tropical and the Subtropical Region. So here the lesson begin with the conversation, the conversation between Renuka and his uncle. Because the Renuka was very excited, Shrikant uncle was home after a gap of nearly 4 months. So he was a wildlife photographer and traveled widely. So Renuka was why she was excited because the uncle was a wildlife photographer. So Renuka's interest in wildlife and forest began at an early age when her uncle introduced her book on nature. So uncle shown me a few pictures to Renuka, and after you can see this picture. So you can observe, when you observe this picture, you find out that the people wear different kind of costume, which thing shows us that these people relate with different climatic and geographical condition. Few people wear in this picture the woolen and few one cotton. So let's talk about the different, because when we observe this, like Renuka, they may look different, but they share the same basic needs of life, like food, clothing, shelter, which the necessity for all human beings. Okay. Now the Shrikant uncle explained her, their children do the same thing as you probably do. Like you people play game, these people also. Okay. You people fight with each other, these people also. Now, when we have a family gathering, these people also. So our lifestyle is same, but in different mode. Okay. Our requirement, our necessity are same, but in different way. Like we people require clothes, but few people, according to their climatic condition, cotton, and few one woolen. Am I right? But everyone require clothes. Everyone require food. Okay. Basic needs are same. They live closer to nature and very early in their lives have learned to care for nature. Like those people live near the sea area, okay, coastline area. So they learn in their very early age how to catch fish, how to swim. Am I right? And those living in the desertic area or forest area, they learn how to collect forest product. Fine, everyone? Understood? I hope. Yes. So come move on the main topic. So today we talk about the tropical region of the world. So here we talk about the life in the Amazon basin. So first thing, arise and alive, why we call this Amazon? Yes, when the Spanish explorers discovered the Amazon River, first he discovered the Amazon River and they were attacked by the group of local tribes. Okay, attack on this Spanish explorer, and these were group of local tribe people wear the headgears, grass skirt. So the costume is like this. Okay, their attire, their dress up sense like this. So these people reminded them fierce tribe of women warrior known as ancient Roman Empire as the Amazons. These women known as Amazons. So hence the name this area known as Amazon. Now here is a one thing before learning about the Amazon basin. Let us look about the map number 8.2. So everyone move on map number 8.2. Yes. So here you observe the location of Amazon. The Amazon basin is located in which continent? South America, the north part of South America. And it is lies in the tropical region, lies very near to equator. Everyone can mark the equator, degree of equator here, 0 degree. So it is lies near the equator. So that is why it is also referred as a equatorial region, because it is lies near the equator. Okay, 0 degree. You can see on your map number 8.2. Now it is lies 8 degree near to equator, 10 degree north to 10 degree south. And you can see the Amazon River flow through the region. And the Amazon River is the longest river of the world after Nile. Fine. As far as the length is concerned, if we concerned with the length of Nile and the Amazon, so little bit short. The Amazon is little bit short comparatively Nile. So that is why it is the second largest river of the world. But concerning the size and the volume of this river, as Amazon is the largest river in the world. Amazon rainforest contain the wider variety of plant and animal life, which we can talk later. So here you can see the location of Amazon. It is originate from the Andes of Peru. Mark everyone. And move toward the which side? East side. Fine. And merge into Atlantic Ocean. Fine, everyone. And it you can see the many tributaries join this main river. So tributary like Madeira, Puru, Zuru, Tapajos. So there are the many tributaries which join this main river. Tributary which join the small stream of water which join the main river. The place where the river flow into another body water is called river mouth. So here you can see the river mouth where the river merge into sea. So the Amazon River flow into Atlantic Ocean. Numerous tributaries join Amazon River from the Amazon basin. The river basin drain portion of what do you understand by the mean of river basin? River basin means the river, that basin name on the name of river. This area, from that area the river flow through, like the area of Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, it cross many regions. So that is why this region drained by Amazon River. This river drained by Amazon River. So that is why it is known as Amazon Basin. Like Ganga Basin means the Ganga River give the water to the many area. So that is a river, Ganga Basin. Fine. So the area drained by which river, that area known as particular on the basis of that river wave. So this South America, the north portion base drained by the Amazon River, that is why it is known as the Amazon Basin. Now, like it drained the portion of Brazil, Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and small part of Venezuela. Okay, now here you can see the meaning of tributary. These are the small river that join the main river, as the Meladia or Zura, Amazon, Tapajos, Ziu. These are the different name of the tributary, various tributaries which join the Amazon River. I hope it is understood. Now let's talk about the climate of Amazon. As I told you, Amazon lies near the equator. So here on this portion, the sunlight directly falls on this area. So that area having a hot and wet climate. Okay, hot and wet climate. So as you can, you know that the Amazon basin stretches directly on the equator and it's characterized by the hot and wet climate. Because the evaporation process is very fast. Pani jaldi garam hoga, bhap hoga, or it is turned into rainfall. So there is a heavy rainfall above 200 centimeter. Rainfall occur this area, and without any information, anytime rainfall occur. Okay. So the both day and night are almost equally hot and humid. If the climate is humid, so kya hoga? The skin is feels sticky or not? Yes. So only due to the humid climate condition, the skin feels sticky. It rain almost every day, and that too without much warning. Okay. बोला जाता है कि every 4 hours the rainfall occur in this area. The day temperature is very high and very high humidity with, and the night the temperature goes down but the humidity remain high. So let's talk about the rainforest. Yes. So as you can see, as I told you that it is lies in the equatorial region, and the heavy rainfall occur over there above 200 centimeter. So this forest is very dense and damp. As the rains heavily in this area, so the thick forests grow. The forests are so thick that dense roof created by leaves, which does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. वो जो roof है, the leaves of these forests are very huge. तो वो क्या बना लेती है? एक roof बना लेती है, which does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. Only shade tolerant vegetation may grow here. जो सिर्फ shade से, sunlight की shade से ही grow होते हैं. Only these kind of vegetation grow on Amazon, जो नीचे होते हैं, जो grounds पे होते हैं. Like orchid, bromeliads grow plant parasites. The bromeliad is a special plant that store water in their leaves. You can see the store water in their leaves like a bowl. Okay. And animal like frogs use this bucket of water for laying their eggs. So have a look. You can see in this picture this flower which store the water, and this water used by different animals. Yes. So rainforest is rich in fauna. Birds such as toucan, hummingbird, bird of paradise with their brilliant color, plumage, oversized bills for eating make them different from birds we commonly see in India. Let's have a look the pics of